Are you a young adult that's gonna backpack Italy or Europe? Well, you're in the right place. I'm gonna show you how to pack lightly and efficiently in just one singular backpack. Very soon, I'm gonna be traveling to Italy with my friends. We are gonna spend 15 days there, and I wanna show what I'm gonna pack. And for those of you that have never heard of a backpacking trip, essentially it's like backpacking in the mountains to the extent that you wanna keep everything in one backpack and you wanna keep it really light. So you don't wanna be dragging around suitcases or huge duffel bags, but you wanna keep it all very compact and only bring what you absolutely need. This is the bag I'm gonna use. This is a 40-liter bag, and it is huge. It's like a mini suitcase. So yeah, let's get into what's all in here, yeah? Here we go. Let's open her up. So it's got these nice clips on the side that you can tighten to really compact everything. We'll go ahead and unclip those. And then let's take a look here. Got a jacket, a hoodie. I'm from Arizona, so I get really cold easily, and I'm afraid of it being cold on the plane, so I'm bringing a hoodie. Right here I got a box with all of my GoPro gear in it. In here I have all my t-shirts. I've got 6 t-shirts and then 1 nice button-up shirt. I'm hoping they have irons there to iron the button-up shirt. Yeah, the packing cubes, I've heard, help keep the shirts a little less wrinkly, and it helps keep things from, I guess, flying around in your bag too much, kind of getting all mixed up. Okay, this is a wall power AC/DC converter. So it plugs into their walls, and then it converts it to our standard outlets. I'll need this for my phone as well as for my GoPro. I've also got my GoPro floaty extension. This extends to like 3 feet. And it floats. Super helpful. I got my underwear, bringing 7 pairs. You guys don't need to see that. We're gonna do laundry once, so halfway through. So you have to imagine, we're going 15 days, but I'm also gonna be wearing an outfit when I'm going, right? So I'm packing 7 outfits, but it's really 8 that I'm bringing, and then we'll do laundry once through. In here, I have a mixture of shorts, as well as 1 pair of compression shorts, and then all the socks I need. I'm just bringing 5 pairs of shorts. We're going in the summer in August, so it shouldn't be, we shouldn't need anything warm. So we're just bringing shorts and t-shirts really. And then I'm bringing this. This is another packing cube, and it's empty. I'm gonna use it as a laundry bag. So as my clothes get dirty, I'm gonna put them in here just to kind of keep them separate from the clean clothes. For the hygiene products, my toothbrush came out. I've got a toothbrush with a toothbrush holder. I've got a tongue scraper. I've got shaving cream. My razor is in the bathroom. I just used it, so that's why. Yep, I don't have it here. Brand new loofah. I'm just gonna use it and throw it away before I come home. I've got a mini travel size toothpaste. I've got some Fiji, stay fresh. Got some clay pomade, gotta look good. And then I've got 2 travel sized vials for body wash and shampoo. I'm going to actually just put all these back in here. There's actually an outer pocket as well, which makes it really nice for smaller stuff. I kind of just threw it all in here for this video. I'll try to organize it better. I've got a sleeping mask. I've also got earplugs. I've got wired headphones. I jumped in the pool with my AirPods last week, so I bought wired headphones for the future. We got my super legit Haitian passports, and then gum, of course. Padlock. So we're staying at the hostels in Europe. They have lockers for you, to keep, because I don't want to carry this around all day, right? So they have lockers. You can put all this in there. I'll just carry my fanny pack around all day. But you need to bring your own lock. Your own lock for the lockers. So that's what this is for. Got my wallet with all the money stuff. Got a notebook and pen. This is a random notebook I have. I'm gonna actually, this is like my first travel, like actual vacation I'm planning and traveling. So I'm gonna buy a dedicated journal for my travels abroad. That's just an example for fitting inside here. And yeah, looks like that's everything. As you can see, it all fits in one backpack, so it shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, that's it. All right, here we go. That's the full backpack. That is everything that I need for my Italy trip. Yeah, we head out in about 2 weeks. If you want to follow the story and kind of see how it is, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be doing more videos on what this is like. This is my first time ever doing this. I'm new to YouTube, I'm new to video making, I'm new to Europe, to international travel. So it's gonna be kind of fun to see what happens. So yeah, we are gonna travel to Naples, the Amalfi Coast, Rome, Venice, and Florence. So we're gonna kind of hit all the big Italian stuff, Italian locations. So yeah, subscribe if you want to see more. But yeah, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.